Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to change Outlook view back to default, or how to uh, get your default view in Outlook. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show you two methods so you can use for as per your requirements. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. First, if you have open your Outlook, just close it. Okay, now go to this run option, or just simply hit the window and run R key. Okay, I just hit the window and R. Then come to this window and type the outlook.exe. Then you need to give the space. After space you have to enter the slash, then write the clean views. Okay, in and okay, views, enter the s at the last. Okay, clean views, and click on OK. Then your Outlook will be opened by automatically, and your by default views will become back. Okay, so let it open. Yeah, it is open now. But and if you want to manually, this is second method. Just go to the view, and from here you can change your view. There is a three views. You can also change as per your requirement, and you can create the new view as per your requirement. Okay, so here you can apply the new save the current views as a new views. You can manage the views. Okay, here's the four views I have. You can create the new views from here, and you can okay make the changes. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.